Stop coding everything from scratch. This Python AI agent already thinks, searches, and executes tasks for you. And I will show you how to build it in 10 minutes. So here I have built this small script. You can see here if you see I am using a variable from my environment variable where I am using two APIs. One is for OpenAI and another one is for Tavily. Now if you see here, there is another library which I am importing here. So I have used LangChain underscore OpenAI import lang OpenAI, and you can see I have executed this result. So I have given a prompt here. This is my prompt, latest AI agent framework in 2026, and I have to take care of the tokenization cost. So I am looking only it should reply in 3 words. So response using only 3 words. So you can see here in this my terminal only in 3 words it is showing Lindy LangChain AutoGen. So let me run it again. I am clearing everything. I cleared everything. There is nothing in terminal. You can see my terminal is blank, and let me run this. So I have run this file. I have created a file name as main.py. It will go and search everything. So here you can see my code is running. It is going executing the stuff in backend, and it is looking for thoughts, everything, and here you can see it returned me the result. Lindy Master LangChain. There we are using a OpenAI model, so their response can vary, but it will still go and check and search the web. So let me explain you the code, how it is working. So first I am putting environment variable where I have kept the files. So you can see I have created .env file. In that I have OpenAPI key and a Tavily key. Then here is a chat OpenAI which I have imported from LangChain underscore OpenAI, and this is a Tavily. It is a search tool. So it is from LangChain underscore community.tools.tavily underscore search. Imported Tavily search results. From LangChain agent import initialize agent. So we will initialize our agent. Then from LangChain agent imported agent type. Which kind of agent type should be? Here I am loading the environment variable, and you can see I am using a LLM. So I am using OpenAPI. Model is GPT-4o mini. So based on the model, token cost will be used and charged. And I am using a temperature 0, so it will not hallucinate more. It will majorly look into the actual and factual part. If you increase the temperature, it will more go into creating more. So this is my LLM. Then this is a search tool. So here if you see, I am using a Tavily search tool. So this is my variable search underscore tool, Tavily search results. So this is a class which we have imported here. Now what it will do, we are giving us a max result 5. So our agent will go search top 5 result from this search tool, and here we have configured this tool should be search tool. This search mechanism will be treated as a tool for the agent, and we have created agent, create agent, initialize the agent. Here we have provided the parameters like tool should be this, so it will refer this tool. Then LLM, we are using a OpenAPI LLM with this model ChatGPT GPT-4 mini, temperature is 0. Then agent type, so agent type which we have imported here, this one. So which agent type we are using? 0 sort React description. This will be the agent type, work was true. Now when we will run, so here our agent will run on run section. agent.run. So what our agent will do, this is the prompt which I have provided. So I asked latest AI agent framework in 2026, respond usually only 3 words. So I am taking care of the token. Like that you can also respond or frame your prompts, so your token will be optimized and cost will be less. Then I am printing a final response, and here is my response. So if you see, this is the response which I got from when I ran. So these are the some of the models which will be deprecated also. So this is the response. Entering new agent executor change. I need to find the latest information on AI agent framework in 2026 because we have given this prompt. Then action input. This is the latest AI agent framework 2026. So this type, because we are using the agent type zero React description. Due to that, it is following this approach. So uh, observation, it will go to this website. It will look for these contacts because we are using the API on backend. These are the details which it fetched. Top here we have given the top 5 should be the search result. Due to that, it is looking like we do the Google search. Similarly, this agent go on backend, search for top 5 result and extract those information. Then here after thought, it will thought. I now know the final answer. Final answer is Lindy, Mastra, LangChain. Finish change. So final response is this: Lindy, Mastra, LangChain. So this is a simple agent which you can create it. For that you can go to the website, like this is the Tavily.com. Here you can register it. You can get some free tokens, like here you can see 1000 credits they give. Initially they give per month, and you can utilize every month. We are using from backend via API. You will get a API key from this, and you can use on your environment variable. You can go to this platform.openapi.com platform. You can log in it. You can buy their tokens, and you can implement into your code, like copy paste the keys from there, configure the environment variable, and those will be loaded from this library load underscore dot env, and then you will be able to execute this program. So I'm using a free Tavily tokens and API key, which is given like 1000 per month, and this is a paid one. This is a chargeable model GPT-4o mini. They cost around $5 something, and based on the taxes it will go to $5.9. If you want to implement this agent, you can do it. If you want to make some free agent, then you can use the Ulama version as well instead of OpenAI. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.